Hi everyone, I'm Lucia, major in Master of Science in Plant Analytics at Pepperdine University. In this video, I will demonstrate data visualization story of forest resource situation analysis. First, let's have an overall understanding of forest resource situation from a global perspective. This map shows the average area of forest land. Russia, Brazil, and Canada are the top three countries which have the most forest land in the world, as shown in color. Greener country is larger forest area it has. This map shows the rank of forest coverage percentage. For worldwide, there are as many as 83 countries have a forest coverage rate under 30%. Most of them are in Asia and Africa. Then we can see what is the global forest planting and removing situation like. The country planted forest most is China, and country removed wood most is India. However, when we look closer to the data, there are some hidden findings. Let's narrow the country to top 10 in terms of planted forest and wood removal. Though China ranks first in planted forest and ranks 10th in wood removal, the planted forest and wood removal are approximately equal. United States ranks second in both planted forest and wood removal. But actually, the wood removal of United States is about 1.5 times of planted forest, and wood removal of India is about 40 times of planted forest. Then I would focus on analysis in forest rate to understand the difference between developing countries and developed countries. These multiple line charts present percentage difference in forest coverage rate year by year. As we can see from the line chart, none of these developed countries suffered forest coverage decrease over 2%. Iceland shows outstanding increasing in forest coverage every year, and Australia has the most decrease in forest coverage among developed countries. When considering developing countries, the story is much different from developed countries. As shown in the line chart, the percentage difference in forest coverage varied from +5 to -5. Most of them show stable line trends, which means some of them experienced annually increasing forest coverage and some of them experienced annually decrease in forest coverage. Also, we could see forest coverage rate of Togo has the sharpest decline every year. Next, I'm going to look at regional differences between Asia, Africa, and Europe. In general, forest coverage rate of Eastern Asia is higher than Western Asia. About 19% of countries in Asia have a forest coverage rate larger than 50%. For Africa, forest coverage rate of countries in center of Africa is higher than the surrounding countries. About 18% of countries have forest coverage rate over 50%. For Europe, about 14% of European countries have forest coverage rate over 50. In conclusion, 48 of all the countries in the world have a forest coverage rate lower than 30%. The global forest resource situation is serious for us. India faced most rigorous problems since the speed of removing woods goes away faster than planting. Developed countries should keep a better balance between development and environment protection. At last, difference of forest coverage between Asia, Africa, and Europe is not obvious. To better protect forest resource globally, developed countries have their responsibility to aid developing countries in forest resource usage and sustainability. Thank you.